welcome to Ukulele Robert. In this short video we're going to be looking at improving rhythm techniques by adding some dynamics to your rhythm. And there's one particular technique I use an awful lot, which is this one, and I call it the triple flick. It's very dynamic and you need to use it sparingly, but it can be really effective. And the way I play this triple flick is it's all again in the action of the wrist and in the fingers. So the way I hold my hand, I've got my thumb and first finger together like so, and then my other fingers just kind of curled round. And if you think of your hand like a plectrum, I'm going to be using the front of the plectrum for the downstroke, so that's my fingers, and then the back of the plectrum, which is my thumb, for the upstroke. So we've got a down, up, down, or finger, thumb, finger. So down, up, down, fingers, thumb, fingers. Now what you may also notice is I'm just slightly turning my wrist as I go on the down and then the up and the down, so I can favour fingers on the downstroke, thumb on the upstroke. So you just need to practice that. Again, your arm should hardly be moving, it's just your wrist that's moving. Just leave your arm rested across the body of the ukulele. You don't have to hit very hard, you are just touching with your nails. Let's see if we can build up speed. And there you have it, that's what I call the triple flick. So let's just try a little bit of that tune.